Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you COVID Essentials Part 3. So if you can remember, I already did a video of this one, COVID Essentials Part 1 and COVID Essentials Part 2. And if you haven't watched them yet, I will link them up there. So after watching this video, please do watch them too. And now, since we are all or most of us loves bags and we want to always change different bags from most of the time, so I decided to buy some other cheap alternatives for the to interchange with my tote bag. So I have researched from my favorite brand, Longchamp, and this bag was like the tote one, but it is made from the PVC plastic and it can easily be sprayed and wiped down using an alcohol. And still it's so expensive for me. I just want to recommend them to you just in case you wanted to buy Longchamp. And also Louis Vuitton also had totes or bags that are made in PVC as well. So if you have the budget, you can also try those. Then from Prada, the very famous Prada from nylon for using nylon bags. If you have the budget, please go. There are beautiful selections from this beautiful Prada nylon bags. But since I don't have the budget right now, I have a tight budget, so I can't afford to buy those at this point. I just opted for a cheaper bag inspired version. So this one I have bought from Shopee. This is inspired by the Prada nylon bags, and I opted for the pink, very beautiful pink. They also sell the black ones that really almost look like the Prada ones, but I opted for the pink. Probably when I get tired of this one, I would probably get the black as well, but this looks really cute to me, and it has this emblem that doesn't have any logo, just a triangle silver logo that is inspired by their logo or look like a dupe. And this one is like a baguette bag. It has a smaller zipper opening, so at the back it doesn't have anything. It's just a plain pink one. And I love to use this one because I can easily spray this with alcohol, but I haven't used it yet. I just want to share it with you. So the inside, it has this beautiful silver zipper pull, and the inside has this zippered pocket. So it has just a black, wipeable and easily sanitizable interior. It is not made from fabric, also like a nylon but thinner. So this is a good alternative, and I will put the link on the links below if you are interested to get the same. So I also found from Chanel a beautiful PVC bag, so that looks like this one. It is also very pricey for me, but it is very fashionable, so fashionable during COVID. So this is what I got from Shopee, and it has this design from Chanel, the quilted, but this is made from plastic, so can easily spray this with alcohol and wipe it down. So the only thing that I'm not sure if it's okay to spray with alcohol is this one, because this one is not plastic. So but since I opted for the black on black, it really looks very luxurious to me. I really love the design, and this is what I am currently using when I go to the grocery stores and some quick errands, and I would like to share with you what I have inside. So inside I have here, it has a divider at the middle, one divider. So in this first portion, I carry a small bottle of alcohol. I have small wipes, small tissues. I always carry my angel, Saint Raphael. This is a smaller piece. This is a medallion that I can easily place inside my smaller bags. I have some panty liners, and then I have carry my vitamins and some medicines, small medicines, the pin that opens my phone that I always carry as well, my favorite chapstick, my mental stick in case I have this headaches and migraines. And the last thing, I still have this one. This is a plastic that I have folded into a triangle piece, and I will also link the video on how to do this on this area. And then the last thing inside this area, in this side, is my lip tint. I have my latest lip tint that is this beautiful case. So the next part, I only carry my card holder. I have my money inside and my phone that fits perfectly at the back. So inside you can see it just has this divider plastic in the inside. You can easily also spray with alcohol and wipe them out. So this one is a very good purchase. This is also not pricey. This is a very cheap purchase from Shopee, and I will also place the link on my description box in case you are interested to get the same. They have also different colors. I think they have a pink, they have a green and blue and red, but I opted for the black. That looks very classy and can match almost, I'm not almost, all outfits. So this is my latest bag, latest COVID bag, COVID essential bag. And then I would like to share with you, I bought another mask. Since I also use surgical mask, but I wanted to wear this one. This is a fabric like a neoprene. You can easily wash this, and this fits perfectly on my face. So I bought this one as additional piece to my COVID essentials. And I also bought my son another mask. This is a face shield that is more durable, made from acrylic plastic, and it is not heavy at all. And I never thought I would buy this one because I'm really happy with the acrylic, the acetate one that I'm using. But this one is also a good quality, so I bought this one for my son. Because of this COVID virus, people tend to look for different alternatives from the basic alcohol smell because some other people doesn't want the alcohol smell. So I found this one. This is an Alcologne. This is an alcohol and a cologne at the same time. So you smell good, at the same time you will be free from the germs because it is 70% isopropyl alcohol with moisturizer. And I'm happy that I was able to find this one. This smells so good, and it is also a cologne at the same time. So it's very in trend nowadays because of this present situation, and I was happy I was able to find this one, and I will also place the link on my description box below. And the last thing that I will add on my COVID essentials is this one. This is a very good spray bottle because of the mist. The mist of this one is very fine. Like, I'll try if you can see. It's very fine, the mist, and I really love the design of the bottle as well. It's really cute and looks very classy at the same time, and this fits perfectly in my tote bag. And they also have this bigger size, and the other one is color black, but I wanted this one. I got this one, the white. I will also place the link on my description below. I also bought this from Shopee. So this is my latest COVID essentials. I really hope you're able to find beautiful COVID essential things that you might want to get as well. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please also hit the notification bell, and as always, thank God for these blessings. Bye!